Hello everyone, these are the tools you will be needed to remove alternator on 2014 Kia Optima 2.4. First, you're gonna need 17mm wrench to release the tension pulley so you can remove the belt. Once you do that, you're gonna have two bolts that are holding alternator, and you will need 14mm socket. There's the bottom one. Here's a better view of it without alternator being in the way. You can see where them bolts go. Top one, there's the bottom one. Now for the top one, you will need to move this 10mm bolt from this airline. It will be easier for you to remove the topper bolt, otherwise you will have a hard time. Once you do that, then you should have no issue removing that top bolt. And now you're going to remove two 10mm bolts from this part. You do have to remove this for you to fit alternator in. Once you do that, there's an old one, and here's a new one. Plug your positive cable with the nut on, and don't forget to plug it in the connector to it. Once you do that, go ahead, put alternator on there. And you will have issues unless you use the 17mm for that release pulley. You need to release it, push the alternator all the way in, and put the bolt in. Once you do that, go ahead, tighten this part with 10mm socket, and don't forget to plug the airline in. And of course, don't forget to plug the connector in, and make sure everything's tight. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, just please comment. Thanks.